Brother, almost every driver faces this question when the battery dies: dry battery or wet battery. Many people choose based on price, not understanding the impact on the car. Popular auto sources like Consumer Reports explain that the wrong battery choice can shorten electrical component life. The solution starts with understanding how each battery works. Today we break it down simply so you can protect your car. Stay with me because the next part explains the real difference inside these batteries. Buddy, wet batteries use liquid electrolyte that moves freely inside. Dry batteries use absorbed material to hold the fluid. According to Bosch automotive guides, both deliver power differently under load. The solution is matching battery type to your driving style. Short trips benefit from one type, long daily drives from another. Tip: check your daily mileage honestly. Up next, let's talk about maintenance effort. Most drivers hate maintenance. Wet batteries need regular fluid checks, while dry batteries are sealed. AutoZone studies show many battery failures come from ignored maintenance. The solution is choosing what fits your habit. If you forget easily, dry battery may save you stress. Tip: set a reminder if you use wet battery. Brother, remember, consistency beats neglect every time. Next, let's talk about charging behavior. Charging patterns matter more than people think. Wet batteries handle overcharging better but lose fluid faster. Dry batteries charge faster but hate unstable voltage. According to AOA automotive data, voltage spikes kill sealed batteries early. The solution is a healthy alternator. Tip: test your charging system once a year. Coming next, heat resistance. Heat is a silent battery killer. Wet batteries evaporate faster in hot climates. Dry batteries trap heat inside. Popular Mechanics confirms high temperature reduces battery life by up to half. The solution is proper placement and ventilation. Tip: always check heat shields. Next, vibration resistance. Brother, road vibration slowly destroys battery plates. Dry batteries resist vibration better due to internal structure. Wet batteries suffer plate shedding over time. The solution is secure mounting. Tip: always tighten battery clamps properly. And remember, small protections create long life. Next, let's talk about lifespan expectations. Many drivers expect miracles. Wet batteries usually last 2 to 3 years. Dry batteries often reach 4 to 5 with good care. According to manufacturer data from UASA and GS, usage matters more than brand. Solution: choose realistic expectations. Tip: track battery age with a sticker. Up next, cost comparison. Wet batteries are cheaper upfront. Dry batteries cost more initially. But replacement frequency changes the math. Consumer Reports shows long-term cost often favors dry batteries. The solution is thinking long-term. Tip: calculate cost per year, not purchase price. Coming next, electrical load handling. Modern cars have heavy electrical demand. Screens, sensors, and computers drain power constantly. Dry batteries deliver stable voltage better. Wet batteries struggle under sudden load. The solution is matching battery to car tech level. Tip: newer cars benefit from sealed batteries. Brother, invest where it matters. Next, emergency situations. In emergencies, wet batteries can be refilled and revived. Dry batteries usually cannot. Napa Auto Parts confirms roadside fixes favor wet batteries. The solution is knowing your environment. Tip: remote area drivers may prefer wet type. Next, cold weather performance. Cold starts demand strong current. Dry batteries perform better in cold due to lower internal resistance. Wet batteries lose efficiency faster. The solution is climate-based choice. Tip: cold regions benefit from sealed batteries. Coming next, safety factors. Safety matters, buddy. Wet batteries can leak acid if damaged. Dry batteries reduce spill risk. According to safety data from OSHA Automotive Notes, sealed batteries improve safety. The solution is risk awareness. Tip: always secure battery firmly. Remember, smart choices reduce future stress. Next, charging habits. Short drives never fully recharge batteries. Dry batteries recover faster. Wet batteries suffer sulfation. Popular automotive journals confirm partial charging kills wet batteries early. Solution: take longer drives weekly. Tip: avoid repeated short trips. Next, maintenance mistakes. Many drivers overfill wet batteries or ignore corrosion. Dry batteries still corrode at terminals. The solution is regular inspection. Tip: clean terminals twice a year. Next, compatibility issues. Not all cars support all battery types. Some charging systems are tuned for specific batteries. Manufacturer manuals explain this clearly. Solution: always check the manual. Tip: never guess battery type. Brother, respecting design saves money. Next, resale value impact. A healthy battery improves resale value. Buyers trust sealed batteries more. Automotive resale reports show better confidence with maintenance-free systems. Solution: keep battery records. Tip: save receipts. Coming next, real-world recommendation. For city drivers, dry battery is usually best. For rural or older cars, wet battery still works well. The solution is honest self-assessment. Tip: choose what fits your lifestyle. Next, common myths. Myth says dry batteries never fail. False. They fail quietly. Wet batteries give warning signs. The solution is awareness. Tip: watch slow cranks and dim lights. Brother, knowledge beats surprise breakdowns. Next, final comparison. Dry battery offers convenience, stability, and safety. Wet battery offers flexibility, repairability, and lower cost. Neither is perfect. The solution is balance. Tip: choose based on climate, driving, and maintenance habit. Let's wrap this up. Now you know the real difference between dry and wet batteries and which one is healthier for your car. Make your choice wisely and your car will thank you for years. Like, share, and comment your battery experience. Disclaimer: consult a professional automotive technician if you have special vehicle conditions or safety concerns.